If you think there's a magic button that will get you thousands of followers on Instagram, let me tell you, you're completely wrong. There's no such button. But in this video, I am going to teach you a 5-step framework that will help you build a actionable growth strategy from scratch. Basically, this setup includes 5 campaign types, and each campaign type will give your audience a reason to follow your account. Also, a little disclaimer, we are not going to rely on your existing follower count or random viral reels. Instead, we are going to build a structured acquisition strategy that will help you focus on quality of audience as well. So let's get started. Part 1 in this growth engine is audience validation. Basically, before pushing out any content on your main profile, you're testing it in the market. So to do that, Instagram gives you a feature of trial reels. Trial reels are pushed to non-followers first, and you'll be able to test whether you are able to gain followers from it or not. So let's say you have one strong idea and you have created different versions of it, let's say with different hooks, different CTAs, different visual themes, etc. Then you can push each one of them out and see which one of them got you more followers. Based on that, you can incorporate those elements in your main content as well. Second part of this engine is collaboration. Basically, you have to broker a collaboration with other creators in the space to work on content that would require your joint expertise. Now, a couple of pointers to note here. First thing, tagging someone on Instagram and collaborating with them. They are separate things. When you collaborate with someone on Instagram, the post is visible on both profiles and is pushed to both audience sets. Second thing, as head of Instagram Adam Mosseri recently stated, the collaboration request should always be initiated by the bigger account first. So both these steps made up for the first phase. Here you have learned how to test hooks or different elements and how to partner with different aligned accounts to reach more relevant people. Now begins the second phase. In this phase, we are going to understand how to create high engagement traps for your audience. So step 3 of our growth engine is hosting filtered giveaways. Hosting a giveaway is a common growth strategy on Instagram, but most people get it wrong. When you offer a generic price, let's say cash or phone, etc., a lot of people enter the contest and your profile is pushed to the wrong audience set. Instead, you have to host a giveaway with something that your audience would specifically want. So let's say you have a cooking channel on Instagram. So you host a giveaway with some cooking appliance or something else that your audience would want. So the mechanics of this will be really simple. Let's say you're partnering with a creator and you're both hosting a giveaway as a combined effort. Comment on the reel or something, and then it gives them a reason to follow you and engage with your account. So the fourth part of our engine is launching a real-time challenge. Basically, you're going to pick a challenge for yourself and you're going to break it into multiple parts and clearly state the goal and a very strict deadline for your audience. What this will do is this will intrigue their mind and they will follow to see if you're actually able to live up to the challenge or not. Let's say you run an interior decoration business, so you can take upon challenge something like home makeover in 15 days or something like that. This will initially seem very surprising and tough to your audience, but if you're able to pull it off, you'll have many followers in no time. Together, both the last steps work on taking care of intent and curiosity. Basically, filtered giveaways work really well for intent and real-time challenges work well for curiosity. Now, what this kind of content does is this stops passive scrolling. If someone is scrolling past your content, they will be forced to stop and engage or follow with your account. So the final phase of this engine focuses on converting your existing audience into a distribution network and capturing external demand without any friction. So the next part is to create a repost loop. What Instagram now does is it lets your followers repost your content to their network while you still remain credited as the original creator. So what you're going to do is you're going to build really important assets. So maybe some informational reports, some industry predictions, some useful checklist, etc., etc. And your followers would want to share that content with their network. So the last and bonus step is to create a direct follow link. So let's say you're promoting your Instagram outside the app. So how you're going to do it? Most people just ask people to type in the username and click the follow button. But that can sound really lousy. So what you're going to do is you're going to use a free follow link generator and you're going to create, let's say, a follow button for yourself or a QR code or a profile card. And you can add these assets to your email signatures, website descriptions, business cards, etc. So when users click on them, they can simply go to your profile and follow your account. So this final phase focused on how to convert your existing audience network into a distribution loop. So together with all these steps, we have focused on understand. So now we are at the end of this actionable growth strategy and now you have a framework that is ready to implement immediately. But remember, To succeed on Instagram, you have to let go of your viral luck and you have to focus on filtering for relevant people and borrowing complementary networks. Now, one thing more, if you're trying to grow on Instagram, you have to regularly analyze your data to see what you have done in past month, what worked well, what you are missing out on, etc. etc. You also have to compare what your competitors are doing better and what you are missing out on. So to do all of that, you can use Vessel AI. Vessel AI is a marketing analytics tool that lets you bring all your accounts into one chat, let's say your Instagram account, other social media platforms, even your competitor pages, etc. And you can simply ask questions, something like, what are my competitors doing that I'm missing out on? What did I do last month that helped me gain more followers, etc. You can also use Vessel to build Instagram growth strategies. I will leave the link in description below so you can go try it out.